Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most talked about health books of recent years, The Obesity Code by Dr. Jason Fung. Now, this isn't your typical weight loss book. Dr. Fung takes a deep dive into the science of obesity, exploring why diets often fail and what really causes us to gain weight. In his book, Dr. Fung introduces the concept of insulin resistance as a primary factor in obesity. He explains how the body's natural processes, including the way we store fat, are deeply influenced by the hormone insulin. By addressing insulin levels, he proposes, we can better understand why so many of us struggle with weight gain, despite our best efforts to diet and exercise. The book challenges traditional ideas and provides readers with a fresh perspective on how to approach weight loss. What makes Dr. Fung's approach unique is his emphasis on fasting as a tool for weight loss and overall health. He argues that intermittent fasting can not only help reduce insulin levels, but can also improve metabolic health, allowing the body to burn fat more effectively. Dr. Fung breaks down the different types of fasting, from time-restricted eating to longer fasts, and explains how they can be tailored to suit different lifestyles and health goals. Unlike many diet books that focus on specific foods or meal plans, the Obesity Code focuses on understanding the underlying biological mechanisms that contribute to obesity. Dr. Fung explains how our bodies are wired to store fat and how this system is disrupted in modern society. With an understanding of these processes, we can make better decisions about how we approach food and health and begin to take control of our weight in a sustainable way. Dr. Fung also dives into the history of weight loss advice and how popular diet trends often mislead us. He critiques low-fat diets, calorie counting, and other popular approaches, showing how these methods don't always lead to long-term success. He emphasizes that our bodies are complex, and a one-size-fits-all approach to dieting is often doomed to fail. His message is clear. Understanding our bodies and how they function is key to achieving lasting health. One of the most powerful takeaways from the Obesity Code is Dr. Fung's explanation of the role of hormones in regulating weight. He focuses on how insulin, along with other hormones like leptin and ghrelin, play a crucial role in our ability to lose or gain weight. By understanding the balance between these hormones, Dr. Fung shows how we can work with our bodies, rather than against them, to achieve optimal health. Another important concept in the book is the idea of metabolic syndrome, a condition that often accompanies obesity. Dr. Fung explains how insulin resistance, high blood sugar, and high blood pressure are all interconnected, and how these issues can lead to serious health problems. He provides strategies for reversing metabolic syndrome through diet, fasting, and lifestyle changes, helping readers understand how to take control of their metabolic health. In addition to the science behind obesity, Dr. Fung shares practical advice on how to implement his ideas in daily life. He provides actionable steps for readers to start fasting, adjust their diets, and monitor their progress. This approach makes the book accessible not just to those interested in the science of obesity, but also to anyone looking for concrete steps to improve their health. Dr. Fung's book also challenges the prevailing notion that losing weight is simply a matter of eating less and exercising more. He highlights how modern society, with its constant access to food and sedentary lifestyles, has created an environment that makes it harder for our bodies to maintain a healthy weight. By addressing the root causes of obesity, Dr. Fung offers a solution that is both practical and scientifically grounded. Dr. Fung's main message? Obesity isn't just about calories in versus calories out. It's about our hormones, especially insulin, and how they impact fat storage. If you've ever tried diet after diet with little success, this book may have the answers you've been searching for. By the end of this video, you'll understand why cutting calories isn't always the answer, how insulin affects your body, and how intermittent fasting could be a game changer for weight loss. Ready to unlock the code to lasting health and a leaner body? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the calorie myth. We've all heard it. To lose weight, just eat less and move more. Simple, right? But according to Dr. Fung, this idea of calories in, calories out is an oversimplification that ignores how our bodies actually work. Think of your body like a thermostat. When you reduce calories, your body doesn't just burn fat, it also slows down your metabolism to conserve energy. This is why people who diet often feel tired, hungry, and cold. It's not that they're lacking willpower, it's that their bodies are adapting to a lower calorie intake. Dr. Fung argues that instead of focusing solely on cutting calories, we should look at the hormonal signals our bodies send, especially the role of insulin. Because in reality, weight gain is less about how much you eat and more about what you eat and how it affects your hormones. Now let's get into the real culprit, insulin. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar, but it also has a big impact on fat storage. When you eat carbohydrates, especially refined ones like sugar and white bread, your blood sugar rises. In response, your body releases insulin to help bring that blood sugar back down. Here's the tricky part. When insulin is high, your body goes into storage mode, meaning it's more likely to store fat and less likely to burn it. So, if you're constantly snacking or eating high-carb meals, your insulin levels stay elevated, making it harder for your body to access stored fat for energy. Think of insulin as a gatekeeper. When insulin is high, the gates to your fat stores are locked, and your body has to rely on the calories you consume rather than tapping into stored fat. This is why people who eat frequent high-carb meals often struggle with weight loss. Dr. Fung's main point? To lose weight, you need to lower insulin levels so your body can unlock those fat stores and start burning fat as fuel. So why do so many diets fail? Dr. Fung explains that traditional diets often fail because they ignore the role of hormones and focus too much on calorie restriction. When you restrict calories without addressing insulin, you're essentially fighting your body's natural responses. When you eat less, your body responds by lowering its metabolic rate, making you feel hungrier and slowing your weight loss. Over time, this leads to something called weight loss plateau, where your body adjusts to the lower calories and you stop losing weight. Imagine trying to fill a leaky bucket with water. No matter how much water you add, it keeps draining out. That's what calorie restriction does. It's a temporary fix that doesn't address the underlying issues of insulin resistance and hormonal imbalance. Dr. Fung believes that by focusing on lowering insulin levels, you can bypass these biological roadblocks and achieve sustainable weight loss. Now, here's where things get interesting. Dr. Fung introduces intermittent fasting as a tool to lower insulin levels and help with weight loss. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself, it's about controlling when you eat so that your body has time to lower insulin levels and start burning fat. Think of fasting like flipping a switch in your body. When you're fasting, insulin levels drop and your body starts using stored fat for energy. It's like putting your body into fat-burning mode. And the best part? Fasting is flexible. You can choose an eating window that works for you, like 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. Dr. Fung explains that fasting isn't just about weight loss. It also improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and supports overall metabolic health. So, you're not only losing weight, but also improving your body's ability to manage blood sugar. Intermittent fasting can be a game changer, especially for people who have struggled with traditional diets. It's a way to work with your body's natural rhythms rather than against them. Of course, fasting alone isn't enough. Dr. Fung emphasizes the importance of choosing the right foods when you're not fasting. The focus should be on whole, unprocessed foods. Think vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins, while avoiding refined carbs and sugars that spike insulin. Imagine your body as a fire that burns energy. Processed foods and sugars are like kindling. They burn hot and fast, but they leave you hungry shortly after. Whole foods, on the other hand, are like logs. They burn slowly and keep you satisfied for longer. By prioritizing whole foods, you're giving your body sustained energy without the insulin spikes. This helps keep your blood sugar stable and prevents cravings that can lead to overeating. Dr. Fung's advice is clear. Aim for nutrient-dense foods that nourish your body and keep insulin levels in check. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about eating smarter. Dr. Fung also warns about the dangers of fructose and processed foods. Fructose, commonly found in sugary drinks and snacks, is metabolized differently from other sugars, and it has a direct impact on liver fat and insulin resistance. Think of fructose as a hidden saboteur. Unlike glucose, which is used by every cell in the body, fructose is almost entirely metabolized by the liver, where it gets converted into fat. This process not only leads to weight gain, but also contributes to insulin resistance, which makes it even harder to lose weight. Processed foods are another problem. They're often loaded with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and additives that disrupt hunger signals, leading to overeating. By avoiding these foods, you can reduce insulin spikes and improve your body's response to food. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is dealing with cravings. Dr. Fung explains that cravings are often a result of insulin spikes and drops. When you eat sugary or carb-heavy foods, your blood sugar rises quickly, then crashes, leading to hunger and more cravings. Imagine riding a roller coaster. Every high is followed by a low. By avoiding foods that cause blood sugar spikes, you can stabilize your energy levels and reduce cravings. This is why low-carb diets can be effective for many people. They keep insulin low, which reduces those roller coaster highs and lows. Dr. Fung suggests replacing sugary snacks with protein and fiber-rich options like nuts or vegetables to keep you full and your blood sugar stable. Over time, this helps to reset your hunger signals and make cravings less intense. So, how do you put all this information into action? Dr. Fung recommends combining intermittent fasting with a low-carb, whole-food diet as a sustainable way to lower insulin, reduce cravings, and promote long-term weight loss. Think of this approach like building a house. Fasting is the foundation. It creates a solid base by helping you regulate insulin. Whole foods are the walls and roof. They provide the structure and support. And avoiding sugars and processed foods is like insulation. It keeps your body running efficiently without unnecessary stress. Dr. Fung's method isn't about quick fixes or extreme measures. It's about building habits that support your health and weight goals for the long haul. Start with a fasting schedule that fits your life, focus on whole foods, and let your body do the rest. So, what's the main takeaway from the Obesity Code? It's simple but powerful. Weight loss isn't just about cutting calories, it's about managing insulin. By reducing insulin levels through intermittent fasting, avoiding processed foods, and choosing whole foods, you can break the cycle of cravings, lower your body's set weight, and achieve sustainable health. Dr. Fung's message is empowering because it shifts the focus from restrictive diets to understanding how our bodies work. You don't have to count every calorie or deprive yourself. You just need to make choices that support your hormones and metabolism. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Here's to unlocking the code to a healthier life.